A U.S. federal judge just handed down a 20-year prison sentence for Praetorian Group International CEO after a $200 million Bitcoin Ponzi scheme defrauded tens of thousands of investors. Prosecutors revealed PGI falsely promised daily returns, used new funds to pay earlier participants, and spent millions on luxury items. This marks one of the largest crypto fraud cases in recent years. Ethereum's ETF holders are now sitting on about $5.3 billion in unrealized losses as the price drops toward $2,000. Bloomberg data shows the average entry price is $3,500, meaning most investors are down roughly 44%. This highlights how ETF exposure concentrates risk and whether holders will sell or hold as ETH retests $1,800 remains the key question. North Korean hackers are now using AI-generated deepfakes to scam crypto companies, Google's Mandiant warns. The attackers impersonate executives in fake Zoom calls, aiming to steal credentials and digital assets. This new tactic highlights urgent cybersecurity challenges for the blockchain industry. Binance dismissed at least 5 compliance investigators after they flagged $1 billion in USDT transactions allegedly tied to Iranian entities. The funds moved via Tether on the Tron blockchain, raising concerns about sanctions compliance risks. This incident highlights ongoing regulatory scrutiny of crypto exchanges and stablecoin flows. Crypto markets just lost $43 billion in 24 hours, sending total value down to $2.28 trillion. Bitcoin remains stuck below $70,000, while altcoins like MYX Finance plunged 40%. Fueling investor fear. Short-term outlook stays uncertain as panic selling and weak inflows dominate, despite positive news from Cardano and Stellar. BitMine just boosted its Ethereum reserves to over 4.3 million ETH, sending a strong message to the crypto market. Despite recent price swings and nearly $480 million in unrealized losses, BitMine continues its long-term accumulation strategy. This move positions BitMine as one of the largest corporate holders of ETH, highlighting both the potential and risks of large-scale crypto treasury management. Block Inc. may soon cut up to 10% of its workforce as part of a sweeping 2024 efficiency overhaul. Hundreds of employees have already received termination notices during annual performance reviews. While Block projects strong profit growth through 2028, it's unclear if these layoffs are factored into their forecasts. $2.5 billion in Bitcoin options expire today. All eyes are on the $74,000 max pain level. Bitcoin trades near $68,000, down 1.1% in 24 hours, and 30% over the last month. Technicals show continued bearish momentum, with support at $65,000 and resistance at $74,000. A secret 12-step media plan from Sam Bankman-Fried's prison cell reveals his latest move, seeking a Trump pardon to cut his sentence. The FTX founder now publicly praises Trump's crypto policies and attacks Biden's regulation, hoping political influence will shorten his decades-long prison term. Legal experts say his appeal is weak, making a presidential pardon his best shot. A major milestone just hit the Middle East's crypto scene as the UAE central bank licensed the Dirham-Backed stablecoin DDSC on ADI chain. DDSC, issued by IHC, Sirius, and Fabi, focuses on institutional payments and settlements, signaling a leap in regulated digital finance infrastructure. This move could accelerate the region's adoption of blockchain-based financial solutions. Ethereum whales are ramping up their buying even as ETH drops below their cost basis, signaling strong conviction in a potential rebound. In early 2026, large holders sold off, but accumulation intensified as prices fell to $1,976, while small wallets increased staking, and the market cap hovered around $238 billion. This shift suggests whales see opportunity at these levels, despite unrealized losses and a 6-month low in open interest. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index just plunged to 5, marking one of the most extreme fear levels seen in years. As global uncertainty spikes, Bitcoin and Ethereum have both posted double-digit losses, and total crypto market cap is down over 22% in 2026. Analysts note similar fear levels have historically signaled opportunity, but warn that a swift recovery is unlikely before summer 2026.